Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Learn Italian with Max. This is the lesson number 11. Here in Italy we are full of colors. The nature is full of colors. So in this lesson we are going to see the name of the colors in Italian after the jingle. Welcome back. Before to start the lesson, I want to tell you a couple of things. First of all, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much. The other thing I want to tell you is just follow the entire lesson from the start to the end, because at the end of the lesson, in any lessons, we are going to test what is the understanding, the comprehension that you have seen in the lesson. So please stay with me until the end to test what we have done. Alright? So let's get started. Okay, we are going to see the name of the colors in Italian. The first one, the red. Okay? In Italian we say rosso. Rosso. Colore rosso. Okay. Now, green, verde, verde, colore verde, verde. Another one, yellow, colore giallo, giallo, double L, so it is a stressed, giallo. Good. The black one, colore nero, nero, again, nero. Good. Now, white, colore bianco, bianco. One more time, bianco. One more, brown, colore marrone, marrone. Very good. This one, blue, the same, blue. Just a tiny difference, blue, blue, but we pronounce the same, blue, blue. This one, orange, we say arancione, arancione. Say that's arancione. Okay. This one, purple, viola, viola, viola. Very good. Now this one, light blue, is celeste, celeste. Light blue, celeste. Good. The last one, pink, rosa, rosa, colore rosa. Okay, now pause the video at this point, just stop it. Please do this exercise. Go to the beginning and listen again and do the drill, do the exercise. You listen, repeat, listen, see the color and repeat. And come back to this point to be ready for the test. Alright? I wait here. Okay, welcome back. So are you ready for the test? Okay, I show you a color, I wait for a few seconds and you say out loud the color, because it's important that you hear your own pronunciation. Okay, What color is this? Colore rosso. Rosso. Quale colore è questo? That means, what color is this? Quale colore è questo? Verde. Verde. You're right. Quale colore è questo? Giallo. Giallo. Double L. Giallo. Quale colore è questo? Nero. Nero. Black. Nero. Again. Quale colore è questo? Bianco. Bianco. Quale colore è questo? Questo colore è marrone. This color is brown. Marrone. What color is this? Quale colore è questo? Blu. 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 Ok. Questo. This one. Quale colore è questo? Arancione. Arancione. The same color of the orange. Arancione. Questo. This one. Viola. Viola. What about this one? Quale colore è questo? Celeste. Celeste. Light blue. Celeste. The last one. This one. Quale colore è questo? Questo è rosa. This is pink. Questo è rosa. Colore rosa. Very good. Do the test again until when you don't feel safe and sure, okay, in recognize the color and to pronounce correctly, okay? You can watch again this lesson many times as you want, okay? Do it, do it. Step by step you will learn Italian. It is a promise. Okay then, just have a look on my channel because I have posted a new playlist, okay, with Italian conversation, just pure Italian conversation, very easy and spoken very slow, okay, so please use it. That's the episode number 1, un incontro casuale, that means a chance encounter. I think it's funny. Okay then, ci vediamo alla prossima lezione. Ciao, alla prossima lezione.